Discrimination is to recognize and act on differences. Discrimination is to recognize and act on differences. And in our culture, the word discrimination has somehow taken on a meaning that it always means you're doing something wrong. That's not true. Because there's morally good discrimination. For example, to treat people differently based on their morally relevant behavior. It's good to discriminate between an upstanding citizen and a criminal. It's good to discriminate between somebody who wants to help the poor and somebody who wants to steal from the poor. If you don't discriminate, you're not being morally good. And all law discriminates. It discriminates against behavior. It says murder is wrong, so we're going to discriminate against that behavior. All law discriminates. But there is morally bad discrimination as well. That's to treat people differently based on irrelevant factors rather than their behavior. So again, discrimination is to recognize and act on differences. It's key that we have our definitions properly vetted out here. And it's good to discriminate against behavior. It's bad to discriminate on irrelevant factors rather than behavior. What would be an example of discriminating on irrelevant factors? Martin Luther King famously put it. In his August 1963 speech on the Mall, he said this: "I have a dream that my 4 little children will one day live in a nation where they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but on the content of their character." It's irrelevant, your race or your ethnicity, on your behavior. Your race or your ethnicity, as Jim said previously, there's only one race, the human race. Your ethnicity has no impact on your behavior. There is no reason to treat somebody differently based on their ethnicity. It has no impact on their behavior. But you should discriminate based on behavior.